Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Well, today is day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas collaboration that I'm doing with my planner friend Cam from Piece of the Plans. So please go check out her video as well for day 6. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow. Oh, butterflies. I love butterflies. Oh, this is a bookmark. Oh, that's pretty. And it's glittery. You guys know I love anything that has glitter on it, right? Ooh, it's a die cut. Oh, this is pretty. My sister, she loves butterflies. It's like one of her favorites. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, can I get it back in here? I want to protect it. This would be pretty as a bookmark as well. That's gorgeous. And then this one is come on. All you need is love and a good book. So these are bookmarks. Yeah, okay. I get it, Cam. I love it. Now, I probably would keep them in the sleeve if I'm going to actually put them in my book because I wouldn't want glitter to get all over the place. Who knows? I love glitter, so... And then you have magnet bookmarks that are butterfly. This is beautiful. I love it. Look at this blue. So pretty. Thank you, Cam. Because your girl is still on her need to read more books journey. I really am. So thank you. I love it. Butterflies. Love it. Okay, now on to my next adventure. I know I've been showing you guys a lot of my Happy Mail this week, and honestly, it's just something I needed to do and unpackage my Happy Mail because especially within the last few weeks with all the sales and so forth that I've been getting in. So next week you'll see me do a little bit more of the actual planner setup and all that good stuff. But this week I just needed to just do one video and just have fun. So one video a day and just have fun. But this is my painting subscription box from Gold Mine and Coco. Ooh. So Gold Mine and Coco, I do have a referral link down below. You can save yourself a percentage off of your purchases. So Gold Mine and Coco is one of my favorite shops, and she's just wonderful. And she really tries to connect with her customer base, which I really like. Okay, and so painting is more of her cartoonish doll, I guess you could say. And she is a fave. And look at all this. Oh, so cute. It's a quarterly subscription. Ooh, we got a calendar. I'm gonna be calendar up, okay? Your girl is gonna have calendars up just to have a calendar up, because I got calendars. Desk calendars. Now I got a wall calendar, so cool. Okay, take out the cardboard. Let's look at this first. Put my cap back on my blade. So this is the 2021 wall calendar from Gold Mine and Coco, featuring painting. I just paint and be dressed, you guys, for days. And this happens to be one of my favorite things about the Gold Mine and Coco shop is the fashion wear of the dolls. It just makes it so much fun because you could just pull different personalities and relate from the fashion that is being worn. So I love it. Look at this one, winter. I just love it. Let's go. Okay, beautiful, capable, and worthy. Your girl got her Starbucks cup, y'all. This is cute. I have this trunk piece. Was this released in the Curve cyber package? I can't remember, but this sticker set is gorgeous in the trunk sheet. So I love that. And the calendar itself is a nice size. And this will also be good for pre-planning too, like just to get your dates down. Especially like when you're at your desk and you're doing work stuff and you just need to write something down. Yeah, I like that. Okay. See rejection as redirection. I love that. And I love all of the affirmation and quote wall art back here. You go, girl, give yourself time. I'm doing this for me. And she has on her YSL purse. She's cute. That's also a sticker set. Ooh, Valentine's Day is on a Sunday. Okay, don't ignore your own potential. I love that. 8 a.m. on the dot, get started. Love it. So cute. Look at these stilettos, y'all. I love it. I love it. Don't ignore your own potential. Good skin, good mood, good days. So yes, honey, we taking care of ourselves. We are a boss girl. I love this. She's fly. She's fly. I love this. It's like a New York scene. Exfoliate the bad vibes. So this is some of the quotes she's used in one of her sticker books. Love that. She has her gem pillow. There go those stilettos again. Yes, honey. Yes. Coffee. Saying no can be the best form of self-care. Love it. This is like one of my favorite outfits in the sticker kits. Love that mug. Self-care, doing the things that make you feel more like yourself. This is so cute. This is like one of my favorite sticker sheets right here. The trunk set. Oh, love it. Look, painting ain't playing, y'all. Painting is not playing. I love it. Mindset is everything. Love it. And then look, here goes the sticker book that we just got. The self-care journal is over there. Yes, mindset, habits, and routines are all the building blocks for success towards your wellness goals. Fly, fly, fly. And that's for September. So you can see it's like, okay, I'm still able to wear my shorts sometimes, but I got to transition maybe into a coat, a light jacket or something. Trust the process. Here go the brown Barbie sticker set. I'm seeing all the trunk pieces in here. It's just really cool. I love it. And she got braids and beads in her hair and sequin earrings. Oh, this is cute. Happiness is an inside job. And then if it's out of your hands, it deserves freedom from your mind too. Ooh, I love that one. If it's out of your hand, it deserves freedom from your mind too. That is so cute. Ooh. Christmas is on a Saturday next year, you guys. Okay. So that's that. Love it. We are defined by the moments we see. It's cute. That is so cute. Love it. Okay, and then we have the sticker kit. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. So Dress to the P painting. Okay, and here's the first sheet. Love it. There's some, I think there's some new outfits in this one. I'm not for sure. I don't remember this one. It has to be one because all of these are familiar to me. These are all trunk pieces, which I love that she incorporates her trunk pieces into painting. And so that way when you're doing your deco, you know, you can fit everything together if you wanted to. You coordinate or whatever, you know, you're inspired to do. And she puts the 2 large dolls on the side. She will vary them on each page so that you get at least one of these dolls in each of the outfit. Look at these boots, y'all. These are so cute. I love it. And then you have your mini sheets over here on the side. And she gives you a medium tone and a dark tone. Yes, love it. Look at her with her legs. All of these are outfits. They're so cute. Look, I love this painting. So cute. Yeah, this is a trunk piece now that I can see more up close. That's a Dior set. Look at her dress t-shirt dress with her Nike sneakers on. Yes, honey, her cutaway shorts with her booties. Look at it. I love it. Cute, cute, cute. I love this. It's just so cute. And they have different poses and all that good stuff. Okay. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of just the regular painting dolls. And then this is cute. OMG. We get holiday painting. These were the Christmas cards that I got in one of my unboxings a few weeks ago. Can't remember. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Merry and Bright, Warm Wishes, and then Eat, Drink, and Be Merry. That's cute. And then we got a sticker kit. So, ooh, Merry Christmas for the 25th. I'm going to have to definitely remember to use these kits. You get your date dots. This has been great for a monthly. You got your date covers, your gift list, go Christmas shopping, all this good stuff. I wish I would have got this at the beginning of the month because this would have been awesome to have to plan out. And then we got one for January. And so she starts off in her Santa dress with her thigh-high boots. But over here, it's like she just has on a red dress with the 2021 balloons. That's cute. So this one is for January. New Year's resolution. This year I will. You got your functional stickers, your day stickers, some boxes. You could probably use these date dots over here too if you wanted to. Ooh. So there's 2 December kits. Look at that. That's pretty. She gave you 2 of them. So this one has the tree and a Christmas wreath. Love it. And then here's another set of stickers. This looks like, okay, you get the one skin tone on here, one skin tone on here. So it's the same thing except for you get a Merry Christmas and a Ho Ho Ho. This is probably more like designed for like, well, it's Ho Ho Ho. So, but I was thinking with the champagne glasses, it might be good for New Year's Eve too. So love it. This is a cute set. Well, that's all that I have for you today. And I enjoyed my unboxing of my painting subscription kit, as well as my day 6 gifts from Miss Kim over at Piece of the Plans. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to sharing with you day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.